Introducing the ElectMax electric oil filter machine, EOF series, available in 25 litre, 42 litre and 54 litre capacities, designed to match different fryer oil vat sizes. Built with a stainless steel construction, it is durable, reliable and easy to clean. Featuring a reverse pump design, it allows effortless oil suction and powered by a 3.5 GMP high-efficiency pump, filtering up to 13 litres of oil per minute. With its reverse pump design, oil suction is smooth and effortless. The EOF series features a triple-stage filtration system. First, a 300-micron screen basket removes large food particles. Second, a 10-micron deep filtration ensures cleaner oil and longer oil life. Finally, the use of 540 by 390mm filter paper delivers fast and thorough filtration. For even better results, it can also be used without oil filter powder. The ElectMax electric oil, efficient filtration for longer lasting oil and more consistent frying results.